you going? Dito na naman tayo. Dito na naman ang mga babaeng gagastos. Andito na naman po sila, mga magagastos. Sana po sana po maayos ang travel namin palaon yan. Arrive. We pass the immigration. Practice lang. Mom, we miss you, Mom. Ano pa? Boarding. Nandito na po kami sa Naiya. Tamang ayos muna ng bagahe. Si Malis nasa na siya, nasa Cubao. Susunod na lang kami. Yung may mga background, sound effects. I think, ako. Travel vlog. Or, I don't know, man. See you later.
See you later pag nandun na kami sa stop ko. Ilang percent na yun?
Ilang percent?
Nakikita na siya ng dagat, mga 90% na. Ako pag nag-vlog ako, gusto ko Bicolana na. Gusto ko Bicolana ako.
Bicolana ka? Pili. Bicolana ka naman talaga.
Like nag-Bicol.
Pwede man.
Tapos,
What's up guys?
lalagyan ko lang
Muli
ng...
na kami ni... ibang accent.
Hi, Pat. Dapat tayo, yung room tour. Diyan.
Sige, mag-room tour tayo.
Ang dami nating lane.
What's up guys? We have arrived. After 5 hours. Ano na yung silong? Silong. And the 7-Eleven.
Different.
Tapos na kami mag-picture. Nag-picture kami just
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. And now we're going.
Papalitan ko
Are we
yung
going?
helmets ko.
Or are we going?
Papalitan ko lang ito ng ilaw. Subanas. Ay! Bye-bye!
On the bus. 5 hours ba?
5 5 hours. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3.
6?
10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3.
5 to 6 hours.
Like
We're finally here.
2.5. Like,
Yeah.
exactly 2.5 like this.
Pero super init dito. Mag-feel mo na summer.
Hi, boys. Pasipan sa likod. Ano? Nakapagpila na. 7-Eleven.
Para kung ano.
Ate,
Ayun. Wait. Picturean natin.
ito po.
Outfit check. This outfit. Hi guys. Hi guys. Ang hirap naman mag-vlog. Like, hindi ko alam masasabihin. Hi guys. We're going to the beach eat.
Said I'll pick you up. I wanna see you. Don't deconstruct, 'cause I don't need to know. But it's kinda weird, not something I normally agree to. Just hit last call, don't wanna leave. Who you like my smile, my energy too, yeah. You're feeling a high, ask if I make everyone this way too. You said I'm so familiar, you keep trying to figure.
Hey guys.
Kung ako nasa taas, sarap sa likod.
Ano? Ano?
Minions!
Menyas! Ano ba yun? Di ba meron na?
Tonight!
Tonight!
Something
Tonight! We will conquer the moon!
Inside, 2 glasses deep, I'm playing your mind, and yours for me can't lie. Your eyes looking in mine, tension's getting real high. No, I should leave soon. You said I'm so familiar, you keep trying to figure it's something different, and once you're addicted, it's messing with your mind. I feel it too. There's something about the night with you. 'Cause you're so familiar, smile, voice, and figure, so well delivered, must mean something bigger. It's messing with my mind.
It's Elsa. This is Elsa.
I miss you, Mom.
Miss you, Mom.
Wish you were here.
But she's now a mom and she has priority.
All the right things, and you know just what I like, the way to move. Keep my heart beat racing, speaking in my language. Ooh. I'm so familiar, you keep trying to figure it's something different, and once you're addicted, it's messing with your mind. I feel it too. There's something about the night with you. 'Cause you're so familiar, smile, voice, and figure, so well delivered, must mean something bigger. It's messing with my mind, that's something new. Just something about the night with you. Something about the night with you. Something about the night with you.
Day one.
Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. What's up, guys? Ano ba ito? Ano tong ano place? Muninok. Guys, andito kami sa Muninok. Nag-order kami.
Ordered 2
Hojicha.
Very much.
Moni matcha.
Dulce
Kasi,
matcha.
dulce sa'yo. Siya, strong siya.
Yung mga classic talaga na matcha
Oo.
in every
Ako kasi sweet.
cafe.
Gusto ko sweet. Ikaw, she wants to try something new.
I wanna try Hojicha.
Hojicha.
Gusto ko rin try. Pa-try ako.
Hojicha. Baka makancel.
Ma-try din ako ng Hojicha niya. Because I wanna try it. Okay. What did you order?
I got classic matcha.
Classic matcha.
Mine
And
dulce matcha.
dulce matcha.
I got Hojicha, trying it for the very first time.
Okay. And I got Moni matcha. Classic lang na may sweetener.
I told you. Mukha siyang tuyo.
What the?
The Hojicha. Hindi pa. Ito na matcha.
Ano? Kamusta?
Masarap.
Okay. What the heck? Roasted yan kasi.
Ano lasa? Patigay. Diba? Diba? Kasi.
Ang galing! Tapos may vanilla. This is yummy. I love it.
Pero
This is just matcha and masarap siya.
Can I try the classic? Diba? Kulang na lang sa naman.
Ano, pero masarap man.
Masarap siya. Dulce. Dulce na lasang dulce.
Ito ang walang sweetener.
Can you say?
Ah, yeah.
Can I taste yours?
Diba?
This is normal matcha. Pero nagustuhan ko yan.
Parang ano lang,
Kasi mahilig ako sa bis.
saan? Sa bis may kamati.
Okay. I think, ano, rating.
Rate this. Siguro.
Okay. It's not for
Feeling
you.
ko, ano siya, yung kailangan mo siyang try. Parang ano sa acquired taste.
Matamis for me. Kaya, this is the first personality of matcha.
Ako man, 8 out of 10.
Ha?
8 out of 10.
Pwede ko tikman ko sa'yo.
May sweetener man lang siya. Sa'yo, pero may sweetener. First dinner of the trip. Pumunta na Ellie para mag-relax. Relax saan?
Relax saan?
Para
Sa pera
ba?
kong nawala. Sa pera ko, parang
Sa pera
magiging
ko
mula na
mawawala
naman.
Bakit ang sakit na kahit wala ano? Ha? Pero ang sakit na kahit wala pang... Bakit nasasaktan? Chat. I ever Sige.
Exception kasi grabe yung hatak ng kanta.
Ube mama and mango mama by the sea. What the heck? Ilaw na? Ube and baha?
Balang ka.